Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the brake so you know the metal and failure mode. That's how you choose solder and heat. Clean both mating surfaces thoroughly with alcohol and a fine abrasive so solder will wet. Any oil prevents a strong bond. Next, fit the pieces together and use a clamp, third hand, or jig to hold alignment, because once you heat or apply adhesive, you cannot reposition easily. Immediately check for missing fragments or embedded stones that affect. Once aligned, apply flux to the joint so solder flows smoothly and oxidation is minimized. Flux is a small step that makes a big difference. If the piece is solderable, touch a small bead of the correct solder to the joint and heat evenly until the solder flows. Cool slowly to avoid stress. For non-solderable or fragile pieces, use a 2-part jeweler's epoxy, pressed into the joint and clamped until cured. Make sure to remove excess immediately for a clean finish. After the joint cools or the adhesive cures, file and sand the repair progressively to blend edges and restore profile. This prevents stress concentrations that lead to re-breaks. Once smooth, polish the area to match the original luster and, if necessary, replate to hide color differences. Doing so improves corrosion resistance. Finally, test the repair by gently flexing and wearing the piece briefly. If you notice movement or cracking, reapply solder or adhesive and reinforce the area.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.